Hello friends, in this video I am going to share 7 time management tips to organize your life. Organizing your time in this day and age is a must. These tips will help you to get your work done easily without any distractions. So let's get started. Tip number 1: plan your day. Planning your day the night before is always a great idea. Sit down and start a list, on paper or an electronic device, of all the things that need to be done the next day. Don't plan too many things on your list because inevitably you will fail. Give yourself plenty of time to complete each task and have a list set aside of things that you need to do but just don't have time for. If you find yourself ahead of schedule, you can throw one of these extras in. Always mark off each task as it is completed. This will give you a feeling of accomplishment and will help keep you on track. Tip number 2: have a daily routine. When you have a daily routine that you follow, everything will run more smoothly. You will get used to the routine and will learn to complete these tasks efficiently. Whether you complete these tasks in a block of time in the morning or throughout the day is up to you and what works better for your schedule. Tip number 3: focus. Keep your mind on track and focused on what needs to be done. Limit your phone and internet usage while you are working on your to-do list. Set aside personal time for browsing the internet and talking to family and friends. Tip number 4: set time limits for tasks. Now take that project or that work product and break it down into smaller subtasks and set up some time tracking, or time block how long it will take to do each of those tasks, even if they're 5 minutes apiece. So actually scope out what you want to accomplish very clearly so that you know when you are actually done, when you're successful, and you can check that off the list and get that hit of dopamine that will keep you energized, motivated, and happy to continue doing work. Otherwise, we have a tendency to wake up and jump into work without intentionality, and then we work for hours and hours and hours without really feeling like we've accomplished what we set out to accomplish. Tip number 5: eliminate distractions. How you manage your time is only relevant to the extent that you also control your attention on the task at hand. This is because if you allocate time to a task, but spend the time switching among several different tasks, the end result will likely be different than what you intended. Controlling your attention means effectively managing internal and external distractions and single tasking for higher quality work done faster. Tip number 6: use Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique helps you resist all of those self-interruptions and retrain your brain to focus. Each Pomodoro is dedicated to one task and each break is a chance to reset and bring your attention back to what you should be working on. Tip number 7: declutter your brain. Regularly you feel stressed because you have too many unfinished tasks. On a plain piece of paper, write them all down. Then cross out any that are not absolutely essential. Be brutal. Looking at your list, commit to completing one task a day until the list is complete. Revisit this list often. That's all for today. I hope that these tips will be beneficial and will help you to have better time management. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.